Hi. Fuzzy matching is mostly used in the BFSI domain for deduplication, detecting any fraudulent activities, and anti-money laundering. Fuzzy match can compare multiple user attributes like name, phone number, email, etc. In this video, we will compare the names of the new user registration requests with the existing users' names to detect fraudulent or invalid requests. I have opened AutomationEdge Process Studio. I have created a project and a workflow fuzzy match. The data sources for existing policy usernames can be files, databases, etc. In this workflow, let us drag and drop two data grid steps as the source of policy usernames. I have configured the two data grid steps. Let us check them one by one. I have named it the first list, and in the meta tab, I have entered the name of the field as ref name. And in the data tab, I have entered the list of the registered policy usernames. In the second data grid step, I have provided the field name as compare name. In the data tab, I have entered the names of the new applicants for an insurance policy. Now drag and drop a fuzzy match step to compare the two lists. Let us configure the step. We will look up the names in the second list. In the lookup step, select second list. In the lookup field, select compare name. Provide the mainstream field, which was reference name. Under settings, select a suitable algorithm. There are broadly two types of algorithms: distance and similarity algorithm. I will select the Jarrow-Winkler algorithm. The get closer values is enabled. Keep it enabled for the closer values to have a higher similarity. We will keep the minimal value 0 and the maximal value 1 for the possible range of similarity. The result will be a fraction between 0 indicating no similarity and 1 indicating an exact match. For some other algorithms like Laundering, you can allow enabling case sensitivity to differ the streams based on upper or lower case. For some other algorithms, if the get closer value is not enabled, you can choose a value separator for the list of matched values. In the Fields tab, specify a name for the match field to store a value from the compare name closest to the reference name. Specify a name for the value field to store the algorithm similarity result between 0 and 1. Specify any additional fields to retrieve from the lookup stream. Click OK. Now drag and drop a filter row step and two Excel writer steps to filter and store matched and unmatched records. Let us configure the filter row step. Now send true data to step. Let us send it to the first Excel writer step. Send false data to the step. Let us choose the second step. Now let us set up a condition where the measure value is equal to 1. So that means that if the measure value is 1 or the match is exact, it will go to the first Excel writer step. And if it is not exact, then it will go to the next Excel writer step. Click OK. Now let us configure the Excel writer steps. Name the first step matched names. Browse for the location to store the file. Provide a file name, matched names, and an XLSX5. Choose the correct extension. We can remove the extension from the file name. On the Content tab, get the fields. Click OK. Similarly, configure the second Excel writer step. Provide the step name, unmatched names. Browse the location of the file and name the file unmatched names. XLSX file. You can remove the extension from here and choose the extension from the drop-down list. Now go to the Content tab and get the fields. Click OK. So this completes our workflow. We are now ready to execute the workflow. Preview the fuzzy match step for the match and similarity value. Preview the rows in the matched names file. It has correctly filtered the perfect matches with a similarity value 1. Preview the rows in the unmatched Excel writer step. It has the rows with similarity values other than 1. We saw how to configure a fuzzy match step and analyze the results in this video. Thank you for watching.